my teeny tiny little bathroom that has no windows, so the only light I'm going off of is that one, and it's not going so well. Also, I have a leaking faucet, so I will hopefully make most of this a voiceover depending on how bad the leaky faucet sound is, but I also have the dryer going, I have the dishwasher going. It's very early in the morning. This is like when I get all of my stuff done. But we're doing an impromptu hair coloring. I was gonna tone my hair, but then I found these in the closet and I was like, oh right, I wanted to have gray hair. I forgot about that. It might not work out. But if it doesn't, it's semi-permanent, it'll just wash out. I hope it works out. I really do. First things first, I have my hair colors. This is the Ion Color Brilliance Titanium semi-permanent. And then, whoops, we have the Brights Violet Gray. That'd be nice. And then I also have a shade diluter because I wanted kind of like pastel or gray. I don't know what color this is gonna turn out, but we'll see. So I'm gonna use this leave-in spray-on treatment that equalizes hair porosity, whatever the hell that means. I bought this a while ago. So I'm just gonna, it says to just spray, so I do bleach my hair myself, if you didn't know, and this is why I wait like 10 months before bleaching my roots again. You're not supposed to do that, but I'm a lazy bum, and I don't like being consistent, that's all. I also have a clippy, so I'll clip my hair up. I also have my little hair color brush. Yeah, I think I'm gonna brush my hair out first, because you especially don't want knots. Also, let's not talk about my haircut. I still haven't gotten it fixed after getting it like botched. So just ignore that bit. So I think I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I have short-ish hair now, so this will hopefully go by much faster. That is my cat meowing because he always wants to come into the bathroom when I'm in here, or anyone is in here. So I'm actually just using a plastic Tupperware. Poor Betty Crocker, but she was the one that was at Dollar Tree, so we're using her. And I'm just gonna put the colors in. Oh, also I painted my nails right before this. This is Kale Polish Cozy in there, so I'm hoping that I don't mess it up. That'd be bad. Oh, I forgot to get gloves. Clear shade diluter. No marshmallow. So these actually look almost virtually the same. I don't know if you can see, but this looks a little bit nicer. Hey, he can also open doors. That is the most terrifying thing when you see a cat just jump up and open a door. We don't have regular doorknobs that are round. We have the pulley ones, and when we buy a house, I'm not having any of those doorknobs on my doors. They're both brights. I'm gonna mix them to create a good shade. 1/4 to 2 ounces. So 0.25 to 2 is the ratio. That's really, it's very little. 3 colors are right here. I'm gonna start off with the violet because I think that'll take out a lot of the yellow tones that I have in my hair. And we're just gonna, I don't know how much I'll need to squeeze out. Like, do I squeeze out the whole tube for my head of hair? I just don't know. But I'm gonna puncture that much. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'll do half and half, I guess. So that was the violet, and then this is the titanium, which also has a lot of purple in it to begin with. It's a little bit cooler, a lot more icy, and just a teensy tiny bit of this stuff. I don't know, like that much. Maybe one more good squeeze. Drop. So here is what the mixture is looking like. It looks like poop, but I'm gonna give it a good mix using my little hair color tool. Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna need way more than this. What did I even think that that was gonna be like enough for my head? So I've mixed the concoction and I have my kimchi gloves here. And we're gonna get to work. So my method to the madness is to start from the back and just work my way to the front. Oh my god. Obviously I'm only gonna do the blonde bits because there's no point in doing the black hair. It's black hair. Okay, so I have my first section done. It's pretty well coated in there. I just hope I coated it enough. So, hey, so this is voiceover Adrika speaking here now because the camera shut off and my audio is filled with faucet wanting water anyways. So I'm just gonna sum up what I did here today. So I did end up using 2 tubes of hair dye. Who the hell knew that I had that much hair on my little head with this much length of hair? That's kind of insane to me how thick my hair actually is once I start going in and dyeing it. But I sped up this portion for you because it was ridiculously boring and nobody really wants to sit through like 40 minutes of me dyeing my hair. So I did mix the violet, gray, and the titanium together, both tubes, and a little splidge of the shade diluter, which I don't think did much diluting, to be honest, because I don't know, my hair came out as you will see it come out in a bit. My method to the madness was really to start off with the brush and then I just switched over to my fingertips anyway, and then I just kind of squidged all of the sections together. So the hair has been dyed gray. It took me so long, I forgot just how long hair dyeing of any kind takes me because I'm so slow and I'm so meticulous, but I used the entire 2 tubes. I forgot how thick of hair that I have, and I used both of the tubes completely and a bit of the diluter. So that is what is on my head right now, and I'm going to leave it on for 40 minutes for everything to develop completely. But I don't know, man. I don't know. This last top bit is what got dyed last, so it's still like a little bit yellowy and orangey. But yeah, that is all. I will update you once I shower and everything can finally be seen. So right now I'm actually making a quick little brunch meal, and this is my hair still wet, and it came out kind of exactly as I predicted because my hair's blondiness wasn't uniform, so it came out a little more yellow in some places, a little more gray in others. You know, I mean, we're gonna see. We'll see once it dries completely how it actually looks. Hey, so I forgot to update you guys after my hair dried. So the gray is very, very patchy because the blonde was patchy, and so the gray is patchy, but honestly, I don't mind it. The top was not as light as my ends were, so it pulled slightly more greeny, kind of ashy type of blonde, but my ends are like gray, like they're gray. But I really don't mind it, honestly. I think it looks kind of cute, to be honest. I don't know, maybe I'll see once I put like makeup on and I have like an outfit, because all I did today was stay home. So once I look nice, I'll probably update you. I don't even know where I'm using this footage, to be honest with you. I'll probably compile like some vlog footage or something because this is an experience.